and I would like to thank Dr. Shivani ma'am because she has taken care of even tiny details and helped to organize this program so beautifully, and also Dr. Shetty sir for being such a great administrator and boosting everyone's morale to the greatest. Thank you so much to the entire team.
Thank you so much, ma'am. What is your opinion of our department, the Department of Pediatric Dentistry?
I feel that it was under the blessed mentorship of Dr. Shivani, so the department speaks volumes for itself. From the UG clinics to the PG clinics to the snoozling room and all the innovations and tiny things that she is improving upon, they have made the department such a conducive place for any pediatric dentist to learn and grow and better themselves.
Any suggestions that you would like to give to the college?
Suggestions would be just to keep up the teamwork, and true spirit in teaching and learning should continue as it is right now.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.